Salufretes, and today I'm going to show you how to create work order areas and types. So for you to start, you need to click here on administration, scroll down and then in the work order section, you need to click on areas and types. Here you have to click on top of your screen here where it says new work order area. A new window will appear, and then you have to type in the name. If you want, you can add a description, and then you have to select among the maintenance categories already created. And keep in mind that you can select more than one category in different folders. So once you have this, you can click OK, and a new area will be created. Here you can select the areas created, and to create a new work order type, you just need to click on this button, and you can say, for instance, short circuit, and you can select the responsible users amongst the users you already have created in the platform. So I chose electrician, and the work order type was successfully added, and this way you can create your own areas and types regarding work orders. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.